Hi all, good afternoon. My name is Praveen and I'm here to do a demonstration of designing a dashboard using analysis services, and this is part 2. If you had not seen part 1, which I had already designed and uploaded, so I'll highly recommend you to go through the part 1 and then start with the part 2. So continuing with the part 1, this part 2 will be following two steps. Create a chart report using SQL Server Analysis Services. Create a grid report using SQL Server Analysis Services. So let's get started with. If you had seen my last demonstration, in that demonstration we had already created a scorecard. Now this time around we'll be creating a report. So I'll right click on my performance point content, new, and I'll say report. In this report I'll be making a choice first of all to analytic chart report. I'll click on OK. Now this analytical chart report will ask me from where you want to fetch the data. So we are going to make a choice of PDW data source, which we had already created. I'll click on finish. And that's how my chart report will look like. Right now it doesn't hold anything. So let's give a name to this particular report first of all. So I'll say PDW chart report. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my named sets, dynamic calendar sets. I'm going to drag and drop the last 12 months calculation or calculated months onto the bottom axis. And the second step which I'll be following is I'll be going to my dimensions, products, and I'll choose my product family and drop it into the series part. Now this will show me all the products which I have it inside my dimensions. But I don't want to show all the products because in our scorecard, if you remember, we had made a choice of 3 products only. Those are mountain bikes, road bikes, and touring bikes. We are going to design the chart report only for these 3 products. So what I'll do is I'll put a filter on my product family. Here, instead of all products, I'll make a choice of mountain bikes, road bikes, and touring bikes, and I'll click on OK. Now this guy will show me only the products which we had chosen. Those are mountain bikes, road bikes, and touring bikes. If you want, you can change the report type as well. So there are different types of reports which you can go and make usage of it. So for this demonstration, let's make a choice of line chart. So if I click on that, this is how my chart report will be displayed. So let's do one thing. Let's save this and let's move towards the second step. That is now creating a report which will be analytical grid report. So let's make a choice of analytical grid report. Click on OK. As usual, it will ask me from where you want to fetch the data. We had already configured the data source from SQL Server Analysis Services, that is PDW. I'll click on finish. Now my reports will be shown here. Now it will ask me which columns you want to show and which rows you want to show within the columns. So the first thing what I'll be doing here is I'll be making a choice of product here, and by making a choice of product, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing the calendar first of all, into my columns. So let's make a choice of time quarter here, so which I had taken it from time, calendar attribute, and quarter. And let's be very specific as per our scorecard designing. So I'll be choosing Q1 06 and Q2 06. So these are the 2 columns. Under that, I'll be showing the products geographically, city wise. So rows will contain city. So I'll choose all the cities. Here I will not be putting any filter. And then from the product family, I'll choose a family with the filter. Now this guy is showing me all the products. As discussed, we don't want to show all the products, We just want to show 3 products: mountain bikes, road bikes and touring bikes. Click OK. Now that's how the report will be shown. Let's save this, and you are done with the report. So now we are ready with our scorecard. We are ready with our pie chart report. That is, it's not a pie chart, I'm sorry, it's a line chart report. And then we have a grid report. By the way, we haven't given any name to our grid report, so let's say PDW grid report. That's it. Now save all this. So we are ready with all the contents for designing our dashboard. Thank you.